If somebody that you know is passionate about writing, whether they're beginning their journey or they've authored several books already, Campfire can help them stay organized. Our writing modules can be used independently or together to help authors plan, write, and edit their work. When their manuscript is finished, they can export it or publish directly on Campfire or both. In this tutorial, we'll discuss how to gift Campfire's writing modules to somebody and how to redeem that gift. But first, in case you're unfamiliar with Campfire's writing modules, they're a collection of tools for authors that vary pretty widely. The manuscript module is our text editor, which is similar to Word, Google Docs, or Scrivener. However, it's integrated with all of our other tools, such as the characters module, which helps authors create custom character profiles. Or you may be more interested in the research module, which is a great place to store references and notes. Also, everyone on Campfire can collaborate with friends, keep their work private, and have unlimited storage all for free. These features and perks aren't tied to any purchase. Campfire writing modules can be gifted as either a one-year subscription or a lifetime purchase. In addition, each module has a non-expiring free trial in which none of the tools are restricted. For example, authors use the characters module to keep track of everything from names and personality traits to eye color and character backstories. The module works the same whether it's being used for free or on a subscription. The only difference is that the free version has a limit on how much they can be used. Anyone can create 10 characters for free, but with the subscription, authors can create as many as they need. This means that even without a subscription to any module, authors can try all of Campfire. A gifted annual subscription gives the recipient 12 months of unlimited access to whichever modules they're subscribed to. The gifted annual subscription expires 12 months after it was redeemed and will not automatically renew. Authors may continue to view and export excess content even after their subscription ends, or they may choose to renew their subscription. Lifetime subscriptions work just like annual ones, except they never expire. If you expect the recipient of this gift to use Campfire for a long time, lifetime access is the best value. To gift modules, first visit Campfire's gifting page. If you're not sure what to get for somebody, we've recommended a few pre-made packages that include modules geared toward different kinds of writers. The Novelist Pack includes the characters, timeline, manuscript, relationships, items, and encyclopedia modules. These are great for anyone writing short or long stories who needs both planning and writing tools. The Game Masters Pack includes the characters, maps, locations, magic, items, and species modules. These are great for anyone playing games like Dungeons & Dragons, Pathfinder, or any other tabletop adventure games, and who needs a way to organize everything. The World Builders Pack includes the research, maps, locations, species, timeline, and cultures modules. These forego writing tools in favor of ones that help an author detail the setting and complex histories of their world. Picking any of these will automatically select the aforementioned modules in the chart below. If you're happy with that selection, click Proceed to Checkout, or you may create a custom package. Select either the one-year subscription or lifetime access option by clicking on that column in the full list of writing modules. All of the modules that you include in this gift will be purchased for the duration you select. Whether you selected a pre-made package or are creating your own, you can click the checkbox to the left of each module, or its name, to select or deselect it. Selected modules are added to your gift package, and the subtotal will appear on the screen in US dollars before taxes and coupon codes. When you're happy with the package of modules you've selected, click Proceed to Checkout to place the order. Once you've purchased a gift, you'll receive a code for it that can be sent to the recipient via email, downloaded as part of a PDF, or copied directly from your browser. When you've given your gift, the code can be redeemed by logging into Campfire or creating a free account, then visiting the subscriptions and billing page. Click the Redeem Rewards button, then input the code. If the person receiving your gift already uses Campfire, try to see which ones they already have. If you purchase a gift that includes a module the recipient already owns, their subscription will be updated accordingly. This may extend an existing monthly or annual subscription, but does not affect lifetime subscriptions. There is no refund for duplicated modules. Do you or the gift recipient need help using Campfire? Our blog contains dozens of detailed written and video tutorials to help anyone learn to write and publish with Campfire. Refunds are available within 30 days after the initial purchase of the gift. For a refund or anything else, please contact us. Links to all that are in the description below. The Campfire team is working hard to make Campfire the best writing software on the market. We are always looking for new ways we can grow and better serve the writing community. So if you have any feedback on how we can improve, please let us know.